a new pillow. It's a pillow pet.
It's a pillow?
It's a ladybug.
Isn't that the one you wanted so
Yes.
much?
Yes.
Look. Pull it out. Oh, Grandma.
That's the one I wanted.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Grandpa.
And Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. I love you.
Let's open it up.
So cute.
Look, lucky girl.
I can sleep with this when I'm watching movies.
You can sleep with that anytime you want. And then you hook it together and it can be your pillow. Or either way.
Even like this.
Let me see. Look how cute. Is it cozy?
Yes. Oh, ladybug. Cute little lady. It's a cute little lady. Ladybug.
Hey, Kinley. Can you say hi? Kinley.
Kinley. Say hi to Daddy.
Kinley. Can you blow a kiss?
Mwah.
When we go to Grandma, here, all